Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are staying safe and hope you guys had a great weekend. So we are going to enter with one more week of trading. So be very careful. This is the expiry month. So basically, you would have seen weekly expiry happening all Thursdays, but this is the last Thursday for the month. So this is the monthly expiry of Nifty Bank or Nifty, or I would say for stocks we have stock options. We have only monthly expiry, right? So we will be seeing a lot of stocks getting stuck, going sideways basically. So if a stock is going upside or downside, option buyers get advantage. But if it is dominated by sellers, then if the stock goes sideways, okay, then option sellers, big option sellers are benefited. So a lot of things can take place. That effect also can be seen on the stocks also, what you see, whichever stock. So you can observe, that is one practice which you can do, that things can affect. So people who don't see volatility in stocks, ignore those stocks, don't get stuck in that. Also, market is also in the peak. Let me just put it in 1 hour. The markets are also in the peak. These are my levels of Nifty basically. Previously it had taken this resistance and then fallen now again here, but market is almost in the peak if you see overall. So I would not recommend holding on to stocks. Yes, if you are scalping intraday and exiting on the same day, well and good, but during these times you need to be very careful. You may get stuck in the peak, because if market some corrections take place, and even if your stocks gets corrected before market itself, then you get stuck in the peak. So be very careful while entering into stocks. Don't try to hold on for a long time during this period at least. Okay, so that is one tip I would like to give. So let's see how market behaves this week, expiry week, how it behaves. It goes sideways or it can break its own high. Should we wait for July itself for a new breakout, or if correction happens? So just a trend, just to know the trend, you will look at Nifty. Apart from that, we have stocks on which you will concentrate. That is India Cements and Sun TV for Monday. Okay, Monday would be 21st of June. So we have two stocks. Again, India Cements. Fundamentally, I would not recommend this stock for holding the stock. For scalping, yes, in the moment you can take advantage and exit the stock either upside or lower side, shorting. Hit point 3 or observe in your paper trading, you can do that. This is only for learning. So I would not recommend for holding, because fundamentally not that impressive for me. And the Sun TV fundamentally is fine for me. Okay, and both these stocks we can observe for scalping on Monday. So the level of India Cements are, the resistance is going to be immediate 196, 199 and 202.5. Supports are going to be 193 and 190 levels. So based on where the stock opens, like you will be trying to take advantage based on that, and how the stock goes in different level, that's how you take advantage. So next we have Sun TV. Sun TV levels, again Sun TV we saw a breakout happening after, from these levels it is coming out. Okay, finally a breakout is happening here with the volume also. So few price actions is taking place here. Previous, if you see, here is the resistance, this point. So I would say around 557 is a strong resistance point. If it is breaking again, it is a good thing for the stock. But anyways, you can observe for scalping purpose, not just short term. So scalping purpose, our levels are 552 is the resistance, 557 and 563. Lower side, I would say 547 and 541 other levels for Sun TV. Okay, so remember Sun TV has broken out from this resistance and support level. It has gone out of this level, and the previous resistance were this. So this is going to be a strong resistance line. So let's see if it can break out. Observe that for short term also. For intraday scalping, these are the levels for you guys. So observe this particular week how the market behaves. It's going to be expiry month, not just for index, but monthly index, but even stocks will be expiring. That is Thursday. So you can see the effect on certain stocks getting stuck. So don't get frustrated. You know that it's going to happen. So be cool. So if you think things don't work, don't consider a trade. That is one good behavior which you have to possess. And apart from that, if you are doing paper trading, well and good. If you want, you can add on RSI to your list. If you want, you can add Iconishi. You can add on some RSI just to know your overbought and oversold levels. Not an issue. So 1 hour, if you see, it is around 50. So once it reaches 60, 70, it's like entering a danger zone, because like I told you, 60, there are traders who exit or short or at 70, 80. Okay, generally it is default is 80. 70 is most used, 60 nowadays many are using. So keep that in mind. If you see here also, by 70 they have turned the stock down, has turned. So currently it's still in 50 levels, Nifty. So let's see if Nifty gets a swing which goes up at least till 70 levels or whatever. Simultaneously, let's see how these stocks behave. This is already in the 70 levels. Okay, it's reaching the peak here. Let's see India Cements. India Cements also is almost 66. So it's entering in this zone. Maybe this is the level for India Cements to turn or break. Anyways, keep observing, use these tools. Just don't assume that if you have these tools you will be 100% right. Like you, many are using tools. These are all man-made. Okay, just like me and you, everybody's strategy is being used and created. So these tools are having certain logic. If many people use the logic, it will work together. If many people don't use something, then that thing doesn't work. So basically going with the crowd, where the crowd is doing certain things, we are taking advantage over there. So keep that in mind in your learning also. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.